As children, we have seen about the exercise 3.6. First three questions we have done. Now we will do the fourth question. In the fourth question, it is asked, use division method to find HCF of the following numbers. So, first number is 72,126. As for doing the division method, what we have to do, that we have to first see that which number is the bigger one, and then we have to divide it by the smaller number. And this is not a normal division, it is the long division method for the finding HCF. So what we are doing in this method, that if 126 divided by 72, that is 72 ones are 72, so you will have the remainder 54. So your divisor will become your dividend, and then 72 divided by 54, again ones are, you will get 18, again 54 will be your divisor, and then 54 divided by 18, and that is 18 threes are 54, and you will get the remainder 0, 0. So when we get the remainder 0, 0, then that divisor is your HCF. So 18 is the last divisor, hence HCF of 72 and 126 is 18. In the same way, the second example is there, that is numbers are 36 and 84. So 84 is the bigger number, so 84 divided by 36, so 36 twos are 72, so you will get the answer 12, and then 36 will become your divisor, and 12 threes are 36, and you will get the remainder 0, 0. So your last divisor is 12, so your HCF is 12. The same way C and D is there, and then E and F. In E, you are having the three numbers. So what we have to do in such a case, that you have to, choice is yours, how you want to do it. You can do it that first two numbers you can consider, and then you can do it. First two numbers, that is 1463 and 924. So if we compare both these numbers, then 1463 is greater. So divided by 924. So 924, if we will divide it, then definitely what we are going to get, ones are, and you will get the remainder 539. So your again divisor will become your dividend. So 924 divided by 539, ones are, you will get the remainder 385, and then again your divisor will become your dividend 539. So 539 divided by 385, so again ones are, you will get the remainder 154, so 385 will become your divisor, and then 54 twos are 308, so you will get the remainder 77, and your 154 will become your divisor, and your divisor will become your dividend. So 154 divided by 77, so 77 twos are 154, so you will get the remainder 0, 0. So 77 is the HCF of 924 and 1463, as it is the last divisor. But here we have one more number, and that is 1925. So what we are going to do, the HCF which we get the previous one, that we are going to use here. That's 77. We are going to find the HCF of 77 and 1925. So 1925 divided by 77. So that will be 77 twos are 154, then 385, 77, 5s are 385, and then you will get the remainder 0, 0. So 77 is the last divisor, hence it is the HCF of 924, 1463 and 1925. So in the same way, you can do it for the F also. First find the HCF of the first two numbers, and then whatever you get the answer, you have to find out the HCF with the help of that number, the next number, and then you will get the answer. As we will proceed for the fifth question. In the fifth question, it is asked, what is the HCF of two consecutive? They have asked what is the HCF of the two consecutive. First, HCF of two consecutive numbers. Definitely two consecutive number, its HCF can be 1. If we will consider 5 and 6, it can be 1. 2 and 3, 1. 4 and 5, 1. Means HCF will be the 1 if the numbers are consecutive. Then the next question is HCF of the two consecutive even number. If the numbers are even, definitely they are divisible. Both the numbers will be divisible by 2. So their HCF of two consecutive even number is 2. And then HCF of two consecutive odd number. Definitely they are odd number. So the common will be 1. Then for question number 6, write true or false. The HCF of two distinct prime number is 1. Yes, distinct prime numbers HCF will be 1. Then B, the HCF of two co-prime numbers HCF is also 1. Then C, the HCF of an even and an odd number is even. No, it will be depending. Then the HCF of two consecutive even numbers. This we have seen just now, so definitely it is true. Then the HCF of two consecutive odd number is 2. No, it will be 1. So that is false. By this I will conclude. Thank you, children.